Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome guys, let's take a look at the gold market. So yesterday, as we said in our video, that market probably should start to show the reaction on the resistance that we have on the daily chart. This, as you can see, market has completed the OP target at 1483, and take a look above this area. We have the cluster of the resistance. So this is the trend line, this is the confidence resistance, 1488, 1490. So OP actually creates almost the agreement with this area. That will be serious barrier on upward continuation. Now market stands in some downward reaction on the target that has been reached. At the same time, you could see that this overall upward acceleration here was really nice, and especially closer to the OP. We see this acceleration based on some new difficulties in the United States and China negotiations, China political relationship. So that support the gold market, and we still have the positive view that market probably after the reaction will be completed should continue upward action. Maybe it will be too brave to suggest that we will go right to the XOP, but at least I suppose that market should challenge and trying to break this area, should test this area in attempt of the possible breakout. That's what we'll be watching for. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not have something special here. I was thinking that maybe we will have the grabber, but in fact it seems that not. So we do not have the grabber here. You could suggest a reaction on this ABCD target, and with this reaction we need to take a look at the hourly chart. So take a look what we have. With this hourly chart we have ABCD patient down, so we haven't got pure the hand and shoulders that we have discussed yesterday, but we've got the double repo here, this drop, and double repo already has hit the target because 1470 with this low, this bar, it was the 50% support of the whole thrusting action. So we talked about it yesterday. At the same time, here we have another support is 1469, 1471. This is confidence support on the hourly chart. And take a look, downside we have the extension. This is ABC top, OP target 1470 right here, and it hasn't been quite reached. So it's a few cents, market hasn't reached the OP target. At the same time, with this upward action, you can see it definitely looks not like this one. So it means that here we could suggest at least some downward drop right to the confidence, where the major pullback could start, because this is really strong level. And ultimately, if retracement will continue lower, it could be greater downside pattern, so something of that sort. But this is, I'm not sure that definitely will happen, but at least that will be next target if somehow market will not be able to hold above this confidence and to not reestablish upward action. That's potential next destination point if downward retracement will continue. But currently, this will be that is the second step, and currently we are watching just for reaching of the confidence, completing of the OP target, and then we will see what to do next, because as overall price action here was really strong, and I think that driving factors that we have will last a bit more, because they touch not only tariffs. It was already investors are a bit tired from these discussions lasting for more than a year, and it becomes really bother topic to follow. But also it starts to get some nuances, such as the political picking by the different bills of the governments, first in relation to the Hong Kong, now it's in relation to the Uyghurs minority that lives in China. So and that brings some new objects in these long-lasting negotiations that brings nothing good, and probably that will last a bit more, a bit longer. So we'll see what will happen. Currently, let's keep watching for this drop. Maybe here market will form some butterfly pattern is let us market to complete the OP, hitting this confidence support. In this case, we will try to use it for taking the long position, because here at least some pullback should happen. And later we will see whether this pullback will turn to the upward continuation, or at least some retracement will happen. So anyway, guys, this area is nice level to make an attempt on taking the long position, because it provides really strong support, and it will be relatively safe to take position here. The one thing that we do not want to see is this type of action. So if you will see this nasty drop right back down here, of course we should not take any long positions. We need some gradual downward action. So that's the objects that we will keep an eye on in the gold market.